What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Traxxas Sledge. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to do a review and a bash. First I want to do the bash, then I'll get into the review. Let's get into it. Tires is unbalanced right now. Oh yeah, they unbalanced. What the? Hitting logs and stuff. Come on now, you can do better than that. Yeah, one of my tires is off balance. Or more than one is off balance. Yeah, but this thing got good handling. Got awesome handling. Yo! Yeah, for some reason these tires is throwing me off. Oh no. Yeah, these tires kind of throw me off. She's smooth on jumps and everything. Whoa! Almost tore that tree up. Yo, my finger slipped in the air. Finger slipped right off in mid-air. I gotta hit this edge right here. That's some nice air. Yo. Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you my likes and dislikes about this car. Starting off on the outside, tires. These tires, the foam is gone. They're going inside the tire. They balloon way too much. They didn't become unglued. It didn't become unglued. But they just so soft, you can tell they're not gonna last long. Look how soft that is now. That's good for flips and everything, but I really don't like that. Second thing I don't like is the battery tray option. You don't have too many options with batteries. And this ESC is it's slow. I mean, it's really slow. Servo is not that bad, but the ESC, the VXL 6S servo, I mean, ESC is very slow. But that's all minor stuff. You want it a little faster, get a better ESC, better tires, which ain't too much. You know, everybody switch their tires up in anyway. So as for factory tires, this is not where it's at all. Other than that, I think them the only three things. I mean, I don't dislike the system. It just needs to be a little faster, and I don't know if you can do that unless you had a Bluetooth link. The tires and the ESC and the battery tray. Those are three things I don't like the most. And the things I do like about the car, I like how it handles. The suspension, I like how the bracing is on the car. You got the bracing, it makes it durable. The shocks, the threaded shocks. You got the guard right there to save the shocks from getting so dirty. Because you collect a lot more dirt in the back than anywhere in the car, right in that area. And they got the guards on there. Also like all the customizable parts you can put on here and upgrades you can put on here, you know, just for style. You can make the brace orange or whatever color you want to make it. The wing, I got an orange wing. I'm getting an orange woolly bar. You can change the shocks colors. You can change the chassis, the color of the chassis. Like customization, got a lot of customization parts available for this car. But I'm gonna keep mine orange and blue and black. Just other thing about the battery tray I like is it's easy. You can just put the battery in, snap it into place and go. Also, the body. Body is snap it and you're done. I like the design to it. I like, you know, certain things they put on the car. Just didn't come with sway bars or woolly bar. But I added my own sway bars. I wish they would have gave it a woolly bar, but I got a woolly bar coming. I would have wanted to change the color anyway, so you know that helps out. But this car to me gets an all-out 10. Durability is crazy. This jumps I did and crashing like off camera, I'd have broke any other RC car if I did all that stuff. This thing is definitely durable. It's built to last. And you do some upgrading to this, man, you'll make it a tank. It's already a tank, a super tank. And that's my thoughts on a Traxxas Sledge. I had it long enough to give a true review to see where it's at. So definitely a must-have in your collection if you can afford it, because it is expensive. It is. I like to give a shout out to my homie Ishmael, because me and him run a lot. Me and Ish ran the other day. It was epic. I didn't record it. I didn't catch nothing on camera. It was some epic jumps, some awesome bashing that day, and I didn't catch none of it on camera. I'd like to give a shout out to RC Discount Superstore and Adam and everybody that supports my channel. But as always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe, and I'm out.